Did you just upgrade DaVinci Resolve 21? But every single time you open the app, it still prompts you with the software update available pop-up for 21 itself. It's annoying. Here is a quick way to fix it. After downloading DaVinci Resolve 21, double-click on the DMG file, which opens with 3 files. One is a manual and one is an installer. There is one more file called uninstall resolve. You have to do it before installing DaVinci Resolve 21 in your system. So when you click on uninstall resolve, it uninstall the current version. In my case, it was DaVinci Resolve 20, so that it will remove unnecessary configurations for 20. So before doing the uninstallation, just make sure you have the full backup of your project files as well as the DaVinci Resolve database. So I have uninstalled and also installed Resolve 21. Now let me open my DaVinci 21. You can see I'm not getting any pop-up updates to update it to 21 itself. Even after clicking on check for updates, it should say your software is up to date by showing DaVinci Resolve 21. It should not show any pop-up to download and reinstall Resolve 21 again. Thanks for watching.